The US SEC has once again delayed its decisions on spot-based ETF applications for XRP and Dogecoin, and this time they're seeking public input. This move has sent ripples through the crypto community, especially for those who have been eagerly awaiting these approvals. The SEC's decision affects significant filings from companies like Grayscale and 21 Shares, including the Grayscale Dogecoin Trust. What's interesting here is that the SEC has opened the floor for public comments, which means they're looking for broader feedback on these applications. The comment period lasts for 21 days, followed by a rebuttal period of 35 days. This is a clear indication that the SEC is grappling with some serious legal and policy questions surrounding these cryptocurrencies. But it's not just XRP and Dogecoin that are feeling the heat. The SEC has also delayed its decision on an amendment to the Bitwise Ethereum ETF, which aims to incorporate staking yields into its offerings. This could potentially make the fund more appealing to investors looking for yield generation opportunities. This delay is part of a larger trend we've been seeing. The SEC has been extending deadlines for various spot-based crypto ETF applications, citing concerns over fraud and market manipulation. This is in line with Section 6b(5) of the Securities Exchange Act, which allows them to take their time when evaluating these applications. In fact, back in March, the SEC pushed back its ruling on several applications, including the Grayscale XRP Trust ETF, which had a decision date set for May 21st. Now, that deadline has been extended again, and it's becoming a familiar pattern for crypto investors. ETF analyst James Seifert from Bloomberg Intelligence points out that these delays are standard practice for the SEC. He notes that they often take the full 240-day review period before making any final decisions. In his view, we shouldn't expect any spot-based crypto ETFs, including those for XRP, to be approved until early Q4 2025. He believes the SEC will likely stretch the review process until mid-October, which aligns with the final deadline for many applications currently under review. Despite this somewhat bleak outlook, there's still a glimmer of hope. Nate Gerasi, president of ETF Store Inc., remains optimistic about the eventual approval of all altcoin ETFs under consideration, including those for XRP and Dogecoin. So, while the delays may be frustrating, they also highlight the SEC's cautious approach to integrating cryptocurrencies into traditional financial markets. The ongoing dialogue and public input could pave the way for a more informed decision-making process in the future. As we navigate this landscape, it's essential to stay informed and engaged, as the outcomes of these applications could have significant implications for the crypto market as a whole.